I've been holding out on everybody for the last month and a half on this channel, and I've been keeping a great big secret, and now it's time to reveal that secret. Yes, it's a concert and music photography secret, and we're going to tell you right now. I'm Robert Maxfield. I'm a concert and music photographer in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, and welcome to Max Concert Photography, where we talk everything concert photography related. And I'm going to tell you about last night where I shot Vulgar Fest in Haltom City. It's something different, and we're going to show you how it was done right now. We've been working on a collaboration between another YouTuber and ourselves here at Max Concert Photography, and that other collaborator is Blow Your Brains Out. Rick Waren, Dave Jarvis, and the bunch over at Blow Your Brains Out, man, have been fantastic, and they turned us on to something that we thought would be phenomenal. And last night we had a blast. We were at Haltom City, and we were shooting Vulgar Fest at the Haltom Theater, and I'm going to show you how we did it. This is the first band in the evening, and their name is Lacerated Within. They're from Fort Worth. This is at the Haltom Theater, short staged when you first walk in the door, and the area is not much bigger than maybe 2 double-car garages. This is the shot unedited and in raw format. As you can see, it is very, very dark. And here are the settings that I used to shoot the shot. And here are the corrected settings. I'm nearly 3 stops underexposed, and I moved my white balance temperature to 50,000. Clarity is 11, dehaze is 16, and noise reduction is 50. I also reduced the saturation to -29 and the vibrance to -36, and this kind of muted the colors a little bit. This shot was shot on the right side of the stage at the same person, a little different angle. This is the original raw shot. It is shot at a shutter speed of 1/400th of a second at f3.5. My ISO is 1600. For this subject, I cropped him out of the center of the picture and adjusted him. He is 2.5 or 2.5 stops underexposed. I'd set the color temperature to 50,000 and adjusted the vibrance to -16 and the saturation to -18. The clarity is +14 and the dehaze is +16, and I also denoised at 80. This is one of the first shots I took as I walked through the door. It's just boom, here I am, I'm going to take it. Okay, with this shot, the raw information, I am 2 1/3 stops underexposed. I adjusted my color temperature to 50,000. My vibrance is -21, my saturation is -17. My clarity is +19, and my dehaze is +16. I also denoised it 50. Okay, we're going to tell you a little bit about the cameras used. I used a pair of Nikon D800s for this shot. My standard rigs, one with an 80 to 200 millimeter f2.8, and the other with a 28 to 105 f3.5 f4.5. The ISO was set to 1600 on all shots, and shutter speeds were raised up all the way up to about 800 most of the night, between 320 and 800. I underexposed it by as much as 4 to 5 stops on some shots, and on other shots, generally underexposed 2 to 3 shots. So a little bit different, but I believe in ISO invariance as opposed to cranking my ISO up. I did use some noise reduction in camera raw. That seemed to help a little bit, but with the older cameras, I think it was needed. And that's pretty much the standard. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you some shots taken from last night and let you take a peek at them and see what you think. This band was on the main stage at the Haltom Theater. Their name is I Hate. They're out of Arlington, Texas. I kept all the settings the same, moving back and forth between the two stages. The lighting was just a little better on the main stage, but all in all, it was pretty good. For the most part, I never changed anything from my standard way of shooting. There were a lot of people out there giving me a lot of flack on online, saying I don't shoot anybody that moves, I don't shoot anything in real dark or tough conditions, and questioning some abilities. And after a while, it kind of makes you a little pissed off. But you know, it is what it is. So what I did is I took some of the subscribers' advice and I went out and I did it. So yes, it's going to take a little more practice. I don't do it that often. I haven't done this kind of thing in, oh God, years and years and years and years and years. And it got me out of my comfort zone. So I was very, very happy about that. I'd like to thank Chaz Buchanan. I got a list here. Aaron Scott, Joseph Cabrera, Lew Morris, and all the great people at the Haltom Theater in Haltom. It was great, awesome experience. Shout goes out to the Blow Your Brains Out podcast guys, Dave Jarvis, Rick Warden, and crew. Thank you for your support. Great working with you. And guess what? Watch their podcast. Listen to those guys. It's interesting. It's crazy. It's a lot of fun. So anyway, have a good time. We'll see you next week. Bye.